this kit for less than $25 off of Amazon, and I can use this kit to break the old chain and then rivet the new chain. Still on. I take off the sprocket cover, loosen the rear wheel, and then I'll break the old chain link, take off the old chain, I'll put on the new chain, rivet the new chain. Is just so I can feed the new chain around this. Loosen the rear wheel a little bit, and then I'll break the rear chain. This is a 32 board. Has plenty of slack in it. Got almost 8,000 miles on it. Not much binding on it. This chain still probably has plenty of life in it, but just wanted to go with an upgrade. We'll see what. This is the replacement chain, 3D chain by EK. This is the 120 link version for my 2021 ZX6R, and this is the master link it comes with. At least, so I can still tighten the chain. There's going to be some room for the new chain to stretch a little bit, and I'll probably just use this link right here. Down now. Alright, I was able to use a pin from another kit I had, a punch kit, and I was able to use this with a shitty Amazon chain breaker. And I was finally able to get the pin out to break the new chain to length and put the two X-rings right onto there. Make sure you grease them up and grease up these as well. Then you'll put these onto that, like that. Actually, you won't need one on this side because there's already one over here from when I broke it. Maybe I'll replace that, maybe I'll leave it. And then you'll put one here, and you can either reuse this one or replace it. Make sure you apply more grease too. So the O-rings are gonna go between the golden face and the inside of the black face. The front plate on. Just kind of get some lube on there, some in the back of the tool. This one is going to go on the top. And go on your chain like this. I'm just going to rivet these two, and to do that I'll use this attachment, which has like a slight peak on it, and I'll still use this one on the back.